machine of insane power.
We're ready to go. In 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, at the heart of the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans circuit, a new era is dawning. The BMW M concept Neue Klasse is making its world debut, and with it, a bold vision of the future. More than a concept, it's a statement, the marriage of motorsport heritage and the all-electric future. BMW M remains true to its founding principle, born on the racetrack. Made for the streets. Every line, every detail, every innovation carries the DNA of performance. Rocket design and presence. Powerful proportions, precise lines, muscular shoulders, and widened wheel arches. This is the signature BMW M. The new aerodynamic mirrors, sculpted air intakes, and V-shaped hood optimize airflow and cool the electric heart. At the front, the famous shark nose and M yellow lights project a determined look, inspired by GT racing cars and the M hybrid V8. The front bumper adopts a trimaran architecture, inspired by high-speed multi-hull sailboats. This technical structure supports the splitter and asserts a radical identity. At the rear, the 3D track lights, floating diffuser, and ducktail spoiler create a sleek silhouette, designed for speed and efficiency. Seedling innovation and materials. BMW is embracing the future with sustainable materials. Natural fibers are integrated into the splitter, diffuser, and even the roof, enhanced by a unique M graphic. The Monza Red metallic paint and the center-lock wheels coated in red and blue evoke the passion and heritage of motorsport. Checkered flag interior and experience. Inside, everything is designed for the driver. For next-generation bucket seats, upholstered in two-tone Bathurst blue and berry red merino leather with red 5-point harnesses. The steering wheel, panels, and roll cage are finished in black nubuck, a first for BMW M. The floating instrument panel, backlit with M hexagons, creates a futuristic and immersive atmosphere. Every detail, from the red paddle shifters to the M selector, puts performance at the heart of the experience. Here, the driver is in perfect harmony with the machine. High-voltage sign performance and technology. Beneath this sculpted silhouette, the future is unfolding. The BMW M eDrive system, based on Gen 6 technology, combines for electric motors with a central brain, the heart of joy. It manages torque and braking on each wheel for surgical precision and maximum safety. The result, optimal traction, exceptional energy recuperation, and instant responsiveness. With a high-voltage battery of over 100 kWh, an 800-volt architecture, and optimized cylindrical cells, the BMW M concept Neue Klasse promises exceptional range, power, and fast charging. But above all, it promises unprecedented sensations, taking M dynamics to a new level. The BMW M concept Neue Klasse is not just a car. It's a manifesto. A bridge between yesterday and tomorrow. A vision where the passion of motorsport meets electric innovation. Proof that the M DNA, born on the track, continues to live on, to transform, and to push the boundaries. This is the future of BMW M: expressive, powerful, sustainable, and always true to its promise to offer enthusiasts a unique, electrifying, and unforgettable driving experience. The the BMW M concept new class marks a bold departure. Compared to previous generations of BMW M, it doesn't just evolve, it reinvents. Where the old models embodied mechanical power and the roar of internal combustion engines, this concept paves the way for an electric era without compromising on emotion or performance. Rocket design, heritage versus future. Yesterday's BMW M models were distinguished by their aggressive lines, classic double-kidney grilles, and muscular proportions. Today, the new class takes these elements and transforms them. The shark nose is sharper, the M yellow lights replace the traditional white headlights and become a new signature inspired by GT racing cars. The ducktail spoiler recalls the legendary M3 E30 and M for CSL, but in a futuristic version optimized for electric aerodynamics. Seedling materials, tradition versus innovation. Steel and aluminum once reigned supreme. Now, natural fibers are incorporated into the splitter, diffuser, and even the roof. This choice isn't merely aesthetic, it embodies BMW M's commitment to combining performance and sustainability. The Monza Red metallic paint and the red and blue coded wheels extend the visual heritage, but with a more refined and forward-looking finish. Checkered flag interior, a reimagined experience. Previous BMW M cockpits were driver-centric but often cluttered with buttons and physical controls. The new class simplifies everything, a floating instrument panel backlit with M hexagons, next-generation bucket seats in two-tone merino leather, and red 5-point harnesses. The ambience is cleaner, more immersive, yet still true to the racing spirit. High-voltage sign performance, internal combustion versus electric. Yesterday, the roar of an inline six-cylinder or a naturally aspirated V8 thrilled enthusiasts. Today, electric silence conceals even more formidable power. The BMW M eDrive system with 4 electric motors and the central heart of Joy Brain delivers a precision that internal combustion engines could never achieve. Each wheel receives its torque independently, guaranteeing optimal traction and instant responsiveness. Where previous models relied on raw mechanical power, the new class relies on electronic intelligence. The BMW M concept new class doesn't erase its past, it elevates it. It takes the hallmarks that forged the legend, muscular proportions, racing spirit, M DNA, and projects them into a sustainable and visionary electric future. It's more than an evolution, it's a revolution. A bridge between the roar of yesterday's engines and the silent yet powerful electrification of tomorrow. BMW M proves that emotion does not disappear with electric vehicles. It changes shape, it intensifies, and it opens up a new dimension of performance. You've just discovered a concept that redefines the future of BMW M, power, design, and electrification. If you want to keep experiencing these unique moments, don't just be a spectator. Subscribe now and join the Mole Car TV community. Every video is a gateway to innovation, every click is an acceleration toward the future. The true enthusiasts are already here. What are you waiting for?